Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring Windows 11 is up to date and that you can access the Microsoft Store. Once done, open the store and search for Heic image extensions. This is the essential codec pack that lets photos decode Heic files. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account so downloads proceed without interruption. If prompted, allow the extension to install. This provides the low-level support needed before the Photos app displays Heic images correctly. After the Heic extension is installed, determine whether your Heic files use Heic compression. If so, install the Heic video extensions from the store to decode them. Once codecs are in place, update Microsoft Photos or reinstall it to refresh format handlers. Then navigate to a Heic file, right-click and select Open with Photos to verify it displays. If the image opens, the system-level codecs and app handlers are working together. If not, proceed to the next step to resolve associations and permissions. To finish, set Photos as the default for Heic files in Settings app's default app so double-click opens correctly. Make sure Windows Update and Microsoft Store app updates are applied, then reboot to finalize drivers and codec registration. If viewing still fails, reinstall the Heic extension and Photos, then run DISM and SFC from an elevated command prompt to repair system image and files. One key troubleshooting tip: test a known good Heic from another device to rule out corrupted files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.